Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica. We're at China Delite in Mandeville. And yes, we did an episode on this restaurant already, but guess what? This restaurant have a second branch in the town of Mandeville. So come to check it out. We're going to eat a whole heap of Jamaican food and also Chinese food. So you ready? Come no man, come like we do this right now. Come no man. So this China Delite branch is located on City Center Plaza, right in front of Burger King, man. Now you go upstairs, walk upstairs, you see this, some of the food that they offer. You see the China Delite sign, you walk through the door and boom, you reach. Now they have a hand sanitizer station, you can sanitize your hand. You look around, there's many tables and chairs for you to sit and eat your food. More chairs and tables to this side and TV to watch. Mr. In the spacious, you have enough adequate seating. Now this is a little sign that shows some of the breakfast items that they serve, some of the lunch items that they serve. And now this place is well cleaned and inspected by the public health and the business register. Hello, amen. Now look at the menu. In the last video, people were saying that they didn't see the menu good and they didn't see the Chinese options. Here is the Chinese options. Them sell shrimp fried rice, vegetable fried rice, chicken fried rice, chicken chop suey, vegetable chop suey, and they do sweet and sour in chicken, fish, and tofu. Now here is the price list. It is very reasonable, you know, and competitively priced. Okay. Now look at the buffet line. Barbecue chicken, sweet and sour chicken, steamed vegetables, some curry goat, escabeche fish, hello here, and some mashed potato, some fried rice, some baked chicken. You see all those who no love eat rice or them tired to eat the rice, them have mashed potatoes as a other option. Now I love how the buffet line set up. It was clean and organized. Everything stacked out. My gosh, look how them serve the food too. Them they give you little bit. Them give you a good amount of food, you know. Yo. And then look how it plate. You can order a side of mashed potato too to go with your food. Man, and customer service well up there. And if you're thirsty and want something nice and cool, them have some frosty too. And the manager set us up good. He carried the food to us, and then him also told us that the soup is hot, so be careful with the children. Now me never more excited in my life to try food ever before. This is like a Jamaican box. It has barbecue chicken. It has fried chicken with curry goat gravy. Like Jamaicans love this. You have some steamed vegetables and you have some mashed potatoes. Look at that. Thai and 2-piece salad. Now let's look in the other box. This is a Chinese box because of course it's called China Delite. So we have some nice fried rice and some nice sweet and sour chicken with the same mashed potato and steamed vegetable, right? So I'm ready to get this up food. I'm ready. Want chicken?
tasted so good that all I was on was, yo. I mean, the barbecue chicken was well flavored, a perfect balance of sweetness, but yet it still tastes that chicken flavor. And the other seasoning, oh man. And my kids, they devoured it. They were like, yo, mom, give me more. And I was like, wait, I need something to save for your father, kids.
Let's try the fried chicken. Ooh. I think they're all over the place. And food tastes good enough to dance, no? Proper. On this box, you're going to try the rice and peas with the curry goat bread. This needs some Jesus, no? Everything is on point.
A long time I not taste food that tastes so good, you know. I mean, the fried chicken, slap way, flavorful, greasy, it fried just right. And the rice and peas was saying hello with the coconut milk. It's shelly, it's just perfect. Oh my gosh. The rice and peas was rice and peas in. Hello here, sell off.
Let's go for the steamed vegetable. Let's move it up that we can see the children. I love a good steamed vegetable. On point. No, let's bring it back to the Chinese food. Let's try the Chinese food. Look at the baby. Look at it. That's daddy piece. I should give more. Alright, so try this. Look at this delicious fried rice. I'm getting that nice umami fried rice taste. This tastes more like a garlic fried rice, which I love. With also a sauce. Here. Let's try some of this. Looking at that. Look at that color. Oh my god. Say right. Oh my god. This is one of the best. This is sour chicken in Mandeville.
Literally one of the best sweet and sour chicken in Mandeville. And me not give that out so easily. You taste the pineapple, the ginger, the vinegar, the sweetness. I mean, yo, proper butter.
They gave us some complimentary. No, this is like fish tea. Oh my god. I love spice, that spice is taken. There's that nice fish taste. The fish tastes strong. You know, some people they make fish tea and you don't taste the fish in there. You taste the fish in there. Look at that. Woo. And it's hot. Woo. But not enough. Everything is perfection. This branch, two of the branch them taste good enough. This branch is kicking. Look at that nice baby. I make the chef. It's good. I need to hurry up and finish this now. I need to make my husband taste some, or else I'm not gonna get none.
Like, if me never married already, and the chef is a man, but I literally married him. Cause imagine if he cook all of my sweet food for me. Oh, look at that rice and peas with the curry goat gravy.
Ariel, so yum.
I mean, The kids demolished it. No, seriously, like everything tasted good. I am not exaggerating. I finally got my baby to say yum, yum, yum. As you can see, we finished all of the food, nothing no left. I wanted to save some for dinner, but it did taste so good, we had to shell it out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.